Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this A-pillar trim on a 2018 Honda Accord. First thing you want to do is just take a small screwdriver or a plastic trim tool and just carefully get it behind this cap that says side curtain airbag and just pry out on it. And then behind there is a bolt, and you need to use an 8mm socket to remove that. And once you get that out, you just want to get your fingers behind the top portion of it and just pull directly out on it and up. And when you go to reinstall it, you just want to do it in the reverse order. Make sure when you go to reinstall it, you want to make sure the seal is down. And then put it behind, feed it behind the dash, and then line up the clip here and pop it in, and then just insert your bolt, and you're good to go. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.